SD Touch 2. Import recipes and images with USB drive. Import recipes. To import recipes, insert the USB drive into the oven's USB socket. In this example, there are no saved recipes in the panel. Go to Settings and enter your PIN. Go to Files and press on Import. Press on Recipes. Press on the recipe file that you want to import. When it is highlighted, checked, press OK. The panel will import and install the recipes. All the recipes included in the recipe file on the USB drive are now installed and ready to use. All recipes get stored under Recipe in the main menu. Import recipe images. To import a recipe image into SD Touch 2 panel with USB drive, copy your image to a USB drive and plug it into your oven. Make sure that the image is the format PNG or JPG. Insert the USB drive into the oven's USB socket. While the USB drive is connected to the oven, go to Settings. Press on Files. Press Import to see the files on the USB drive. Press the icons to see the images stored on the USB drive. Press on the images you want to import. Selected images get highlighted. Press OK to import the images. You can now load the imported images into any recipe.